Hi, Savannah from Press Tin Panels here. Today I'm going to take you on a longer journey of what is involved to prepare for your press metal project. Now we're going to simply measure up my area, which today is a bar front. And this bar front does have two corners involved. And here at Press Tin Panels, we do recommend to fold in the corners rather than butting the sheets up against each other. This gives a much more seamless look and continues a 3D product. First thing we done was measure twice, and here's two really quick clips of us doing that and cross-checking our measurements. Okay, so now we have measured twice, ready to cut once. With the help of the Press Tin team, I will draw it up to scale, get it ready for Pete to cut, and then we can install. As this job includes cutting, I need to draw it to scale, which is done by the Press Tin team. Now here is my original drawing compared to my completed. Don't forget to add any windows or doors if you have them. After powder coating, Pete has cut and folded for me and I'm ready to install. For install, all you need is a drill, a pop rivet gun, some longer pop rivets, a glue gun and some glue of choice. Next we laid our 900 section down on the table, ready to glue up. We added a bed sheet just to protect the powder coating, and as you can see this will cover most of the bar front. So with your gluing we're going to go about 15 to 20 mil from the edge so it doesn't spur out. This is our first piece installed, and now we'll move on to our second piece where we'll show you how to join the two panels and make a seamless overlap. So this is our next section. We'll sometimes refer to the manufactured edge and the cut edge, which will differ on each panel. Now we're going to get this glued up and we'll show you how to install this one. After I have glued it up, I have put the piece on and I have kind of slipped it behind the other piece, which is still up slightly. We'll pop rivet all along here and it will become very seamless. The little gap up the top is where we're going to add a strip lighting at the end. Here we have it, the finished product. Now, all I had done previously was go over the pop rivets with an automotive touch-up paint quite some time before, as you can see. It's always the same colour as the powder coat panel, which is a Lachlan Hart's design in gunmetal. Now, I could have painted the architraves, but leaving it as is looks beautiful.